guys want to see something else or anything like that. Any feedback is great. Thank you. Did that. The fuck?
Go outside. Pigeons.
Oh shit. Look what just came in. They just knock on your door and then they come in the house. That's sick. This is the BR series. I think they come in 8K front, 6K rear, I believe. And then we're gonna be putting these on the 240 SX today. I'll show you in a bit. Alright, so just made it at Sim's house. He's over there somewhere. Get the BC Racing coilovers, 240. It's time to do this. The fuck? Blockception. There you go. Sweet. What do you think?
They look good.
Not bad. Come in, Chief roll through. You're gonna help us out. Put those
Fancy,
on.
bro.
What?
Fancy.
Nah. So basically, before you want to put the coilovers on, you just want to adjust your height. It's pretty obvious to do that before, and then yeah, just make sure everything's good and chilling. So now what you want to do is just jack up the car and then chilling. So these are the BC Racing BR series for the 89 through 93 240 SX. 8K front, 6K rear, that's what they offer. I didn't see that they offered Swift springs for these, so I'm not sure, but it could be an option. Front have adjustable camber plates on top. The rears don't, obviously. It has 30 clicks of dampening adjustment. And these are always fully rebuildable just in case you crash or some shit. BC, hook it up. Hook it up. But hook it up with another set for the homies. Hook it up. All you need for this is just 17mm on both sides. Just take off these two, and then on top you have 3 14mm bolts on top, and then the whole thing comes off. And then you might or may not have the brake clip, so you just need a flathead for that. Just pry it out, then the brake line comes off. Jesus, oh my god.
Do you think our cars are happy when they get like a refresh like this?
I bet.
The inside, the interior.
No, I'm talking about the bolts. Yeah, they're clean.
You need to be excited about it, bro.
Yeah, no, I saw that too. Fucking boy.
It's funny how it's like so simple this is.
And like now that I've done this shit like so many times,
yeah.
like it's like, ah, fuck, forgot that.
The brake slip?
Yeah.
Oh well, shit. I'm learning. This is a real.
Lost it.
Dude, it's surprisingly how I don't know anyone's number, but I do know Mike Jones.
So just a quick little comparison. This is the old stock one, like 20-something years old, brand new. Difference. Better shit. Now you just put in the new shit. don't fit on your car, then you bought the wrong one. Sick. There's no shame in using the jack to lift up your lower control arm to get it onto your coilover. No shame. Sick.
Yep.
Alright, cool. Work done. There you go. Yeah. Sick. Probably did the other way.
There we go.
What do you have?
They said, fuck Rob. We don't need him. We're gonna go get our own pizza party. Now it's just another 17 millimeter on the bottom, just one. And then two 12 millimeters on top. You just gotta go through the patch and then take off a little panel and then you're good. That's it. Now this is next. Never forget. There you go. That's what I need. Boom.
Get it.
Yeah, 7 to 330 actually.
That's off. You can just take it off from the bottom one and then it'll just slip right out. You never know. You can always just save these as well because you never have too many. Shit. Fuck, this car is so dusty. Time for the new ones. Okay, a little tip. So when you're putting the new ones on, you could be down here and then someone could be on top holding the, or making sure you're just going in right, so it could be way faster. Going in.
Just slide her in.
Oh, we're in. Concentration is key. Look at that face. And then just once the tops are on, then you just let it hang. You got it? Oh my! Rob! Did you seriously drop it?
Look at the space you have to work with. It doesn't matter. That's what he chose you. You're like, fucking
Look at the space you have to work with. Like, watch, Mar's gonna drop it too.
bet. Dude, I would fucking... March, drop it, click it. Oh, got their fingers. Bet.
Yo, chill.
Don't drop it, Morgan.
You fucking draw.
No, about to drop it. I had it on right now, but see, like it's on right now. Dude, I almost had you.
You never had.
I got it.
Oh yeah. That's what's up.
Yeah, daddy. So look, teamwork, half and half.
Nah, there is no half and half. Now again, no shame in using the jack to lift up the knuckle. Sick. Just put the washer back on. You just put it back on, then you're set. So now that your coilover is on, you just want to make sure everything's tight. There, down here, and up there. Your coilover is all set. And then yeah, basically you do the same thing for the other side, and then that's it. You're done. Okay, so actually, not the same. So if you want, you could actually change your camber adjustment right here. If you feel like getting more, you just push, you take out these Allen screws, and you push the coilover that way, you get negative camber, and then you push that way to get positive. Yeah, mama. So now that you have all the coilovers on, everything's tight, your camber adjustment's set, everything's like the lock washer and the locks are good. Then yeah, you just put the wheels back on and then put it on the ground.
What part did you get?
Who wants to listen to the rock knock? Just kidding. Hopefully it's not. Right? Wait, do you want to roll it off the wall?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna do that? Oh, this was on the whole time.
It's still on the whole time, no?
Good. Wait, do you want to roll it forward?
Oh yeah, fuck that.
So loud. Yo, it just broke off. Oh my god! It just fucking broke off.
No way. Oh my god.
Dude, no way!
Please tell me you're rolling.
Holy shit!
Is that on? Is that on?
Oh my god.
Damn, Sam, my car is stuck here now.
He's chill.
What's
That's a no bueno.
Yo, the nut dude, I thought you ran over a jack stand.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, me too. Oh wait, hold on.
They just
Oh, that's part of it? Look.
flipping. That was like switching that thing over there. I was just like.
I thought you ran over a fucking can.
Yeah,
I was
me
like,
too.
there's no
What the
cans
fuck?
here,
I
though.
thought he tipped over like a jack stand or something.
That's fucking
You got this?
hilarious. Yo, at Chief Torres. Yeah.
Chief Torres.
At Chief Torres.
At front slash.
At Simgashi.
Simagashi.
At Nobody Cares.
Just kidding. It'll be in the bio.
Just kidding.
Happened to like from when
You know why? Skyline wheels.
he had his powers, came out of nowhere, and he's like, oh, let's fuck this guy's car up.
Dude, look at this guy. He doesn't even live. Fucking weak.
Just talking shit on his own camera.
How about now?
Yeah, wait for you.
Am I dark?
No, you're beautiful as
Alright.
always.
So basically, as we fucking put the car, well, we rolled the car off the fucking blocks, the harmonic balancer got loose and snapped a bunch of bolts. And yeah, that's where we're at right now. I don't know if you can see, but this shit's off. It's not supposed to be like that. Look at that. Loosey goosey. So yeah.